Placing chords in Crescendo. Chords are made by placing 3 or more notes of the same duration at the same position on the staff. To place a chord, select the Note tool, click on the staff to place the first note of the chord, then click above or below to add the additional notes until the chord is complete. Continue watching this tutorial to review this process again a little slower. Select a note from the Note toolbox on the left by left-clicking. Release the mouse, then go to the position on your staff that you want to place the chord. Left-click on your staff to place the first note. Move up or down from the first note and click again to place your second note. Repeat this process until you are finished adding all the notes in the chord. Crescendo will automatically link them as they are added. Use click and drag to move a note in the chord higher or lower. To delete a note in a chord, select the note and press delete. To delete a chord, select all the notes and then press delete. For more Crescendo tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.